Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hokko Life. We literally just finished recording the last episode, and I'm just having so much fun playing this very chill game. It's an early Sunday morning in my house. It's quiet, the dogs are sleeping, my husband's headed back from a camping trip. I thought it would be a great time to knock out a little Hokko Life, have some fun. So yeah, we've crafted the 6 mining lanterns. That'll get us a little bit further into the mines when we're ready to go back in there. And I bought some more red flower seeds to plant. I'm just gonna, every time I see a different color flower seed in the store, I'm gonna buy a few of them just so we have them. Like earlier, which you guys saw probably on the last episode, I had to dig up 2 of my plants and give them to Benny. I don't know why he wanted them, but he did. Oh, I'm like, I'm not Pip. Let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's early afternoon still, so we've got time to do maybe a little more fishing, see if any of our villagers need some quests taken care of. I'm just putting these flowers here for now. Hi, Pip, I'm going to talk to you in just a second. We'll eventually have to kind of figure out maybe around houses, make a cute little garden somewhere, places where we want to move the plants to and just decorate kind of all cute and nice. But for now, this will work. Whoops. There we go. Hi, Pip. I'm coming to say hello. Moxie, I have a problem. Uh-oh. I keep dropping my snacks while watching TV, and those snacks aren't cheap, you know. Plus, I hate having to clean everything up afterwards. Yeah, that's the worst. You should get a dog, dude. I drop a snack, there's a dog on it in like 2 seconds, if that long. I was thinking if I could get a table, then I'd have something to put them on, which means less mess, less tidying, and more time for TV. What do you think? You could sort me out a table, right? Sure. Thanks, Moxie. Here's a design I found, which is probably good enough. Looks good. Okay, simple table. Nice. Let me know when you're done. I love it when they give us these recipes now. When the game was very first released in early access over a year ago, you had to figure out how to make them on your own. Yeah, let's do that now. Oh yeah, no, the other house isn't ready yet because I haven't gone to bed yet. So let's see what we need. We need 1 more wooden plank. Easy enough. Especially if you actually click on the craft button. All right. 1 nice simple table. We haven't really learned how to make things fancy or cute or paint them yet. I'm sure that will be coming along soon enough. Pip, if you want to follow me and go back to your house so I don't have to run back out to the beach after we're done with this, that'd be great. I could totally be rich and famous if I put my mind to it. Oh, looks like he's going to need something else. Table delivery. Oh, that was quick. Don't mind the mess, but could you place it out somewhere in my home? Sure thing. Amazing. Thanks, Moxie. Okay, looks like he might, just like Benny had a follow-up quest. Looks like Pip might as well. You know what I'd love? I'd love it if we get a quest reward like we had before. Which house is Pip's? That's Oleander's. That's Benny's. Oh, Pip, I think's across the water. I remember we got a, oh yeah, duh, it's Nico's. A watermelon sweater or something like that. I think it was watermelon, not strawberry, as a quest reward. So I want something cute to wear. Pip. Oh, we haven't even opened up Pip's boxes for him yet. Okie dokie. Let's place his table. I guess we'll just put it right here. It's like a little coffee table. That's cute. Put his books there. Sure. Much better. I do want to go back into the mines, but I want to see... We got to turn this into Pip, and I wanted to see if he had something else. This is where we need that feature like in Dreamlight Valley, where you can ask them to hang out. Or even, I think, if you're just tracking the quest, they follow you. How's it going? Did you find a good place for that table? Yep. Thanks, Moxie. This is going to save me so much time. Less snack cleanup and more TV. Woo! I've been reading up on efficient spring cleaning. Yeah. Do you need anything? I was supposed to get 2 yellow fabric dyes yesterday. Oh, we can do that. Yep, I'm on it. Okay, I think that we have to buy the recipe from Sally. But if I go by memory, it's 1 base per dye that we buy from Moss, and I think it's 2 flowers per dye. So, and yellow flowers are pretty easy to come by. Do I have anything to sell? No. Is this it? Yep. Pretty sure it's just 1 each. Ooh, had to check for a second. I was afraid I had forgotten to start recording. Let's get the recipe and check with Sally, and then I'll go pick however many petals we need. Hi, Sally. Hey, how's it going? Buy stuff. Oh, that's new. Light bulb is new. Yellow fabric dye. Yep, 2 yellow petals. Okay. I'm pretty sure we have them at home, but I know there've got to be some more around. I have to figure out. I don't know if I've figured it out yet or not. Because I'm going to want to evict me from my house or move my current house. I'd like to be in a different area. So I'll have to figure out where I want to live. Oh yeah, I think I was thinking maybe back here would be a nice, just like a really big spot just for me. That might work. I could put a few houses here, though. I could probably put like 3 houses there if I wanted to move more villagers there. How many do I have? 4? Yeah. I'm just kind of looking around, getting the lay of the land. I mean, over here would be kind of nice too, by the river. Or I could put my house on the beach and everybody else lives here. I do love the beach. I never get to the ocean. There's a place we used to go. You know, I live in Northern California, and it was called Pajaro Dunes. And it's near Gilroy, where they have the Gilroy Garlic Festival. And although I didn't go to that till I was, grown up, I went the wrong way. But my parents, a couple of summers, not a whole lot. I think it was like 2 or 3 summers for just like, I don't even think it was a full week, but would rent a beach house at Pajaro Dunes. And we had so much fun, the 4 of us. And we also went with another couple who were very close family friends 1 year as well. Oh, it was so, I mean, it's not like a sunny beach. It's not like a very touristy beach. It was just, you go rent these really nice little like condos right on the water. And it was actually because, being Northern California, it was cold, it was foggy, but I loved it. I'd love to go back there. I'll have to look into that. All right, so let's go give these to Pip. He's probably still down at the beach. Or maybe I should build my dream house. My dream house in real life would be like close to a beach like that. Just cold, foggy beach, though, not touristy, hot beach. Or a swimming pool. Maybe I should get a dozen sets of the same clothes so that I don't have to choose what to wear every morning. Wow, dude. Here you go. Thank you so much, Moxie. Here's a dark denim skirt. Oh, cute. Let's try that on. It's cute, but I don't like it with this shirt. We're going to put it in storage. We're probably just going to head up into the mines. I'm going to see if anybody else needs anything while we do that. Put my skirt and stuff away. Hey, Nico, did we talk to you today? Yep. Okay, so I was just chilling last night, sitting on this chair, and then bam! Straight backwards I fell. Looks like the leg on the chair just totally flew off. How is he having two conversations? That's just weird. Oh, Oleander, are you okay? I can't find it anywhere. Very weird. Can you take the broken chair to Sally and see if there's anything that can be done? I can do that. Sweet. Thanks, Moxie. Okay. Alright, skirt. Clay. I'll hold on to that. I don't think we need the copper right now. How are you doing, Oleander? Bah, the sunlight's so bright, my eyes hurt. Do you need anything? My floor is terrible. Not only is the craftsmanship awful, but it's very uncomfortable. It's much too hard. I'd like you to find something better and replace it. Sure. There wasn't any for sale today, though. We're gonna have to check the store tomorrow. I'm feeling like the inventory... I thought it used to change daily, but I'm thinking now it's changing like every 2 days. I hope. Great to see you, Moxie. What's on your mind? A broken chair. Ah, yes. That poor chair has seen better days. Nothing a little bit of work won't fix, though. Oh? Could you make a steel... Not yet. Well, we're about to go deeper in the mines. Then we can fix the poor fellow. Let's get the recipe. Oh, so she's already taught it to me. So yeah, we need iron ore and coal. I don't think we're gonna get that till we get enough. Oh, do I have any coal on me still? Oh, only 2. I need 3 per lantern. We're gonna have to probably make a couple trips into the mine to get enough coal to make the lanterns. Unless we get coal from these rocks as well. I don't know. Oh, this invisible wall is driving me nuts. I know I'm going to need to knock some of these down for houses, so... Oh, yep, there's a piece of coal. That's 1 more lantern's worth. I wouldn't mind getting 3 more before we went in there just to make at least 2 more lanterns. We're going to need a lot of lanterns. Unless it's been changed. It's been a while. Yeah, I'm comfortable removing all these rocks. They're cute. I like them as decoration, but... I don't even know how many villagers we can have move in. Like, if there's a limit... We'll leave that one there. That's kind of a cute one. They're all cute, but you know what I mean. I like its placement right now. Okay. We can at least make 2 more lanterns. Oh yeah, duh. I need coal for that as well. Good to know. Okay, back into the mines we go. And what's nice is the mines replenish every day, so if you really wanted to stock up and didn't feel like doing anything else, and that's all you wanted to do is you just go home, go to bed, and back you go. I never noticed how, like, rumbly and windy it sounded before. I hope you guys heard that. Alright, so we're gonna need to put... I guess there for the first one. Let's go this way first. Put you there. I'll hit these rocks on the way out. I just want to see, like that I think is just regular rock. That's copper. These really do not give off much light, do they? I just want to see if we can find any iron. Well, I guess right smack dab in the middle you go. I don't think I can hit this. No. Okay. I know it's dark. It's fine. I can see perfectly, though. Be funny if I was saying that and, like, totally missing picking stuff up. Okay, get you. Hopefully there's some iron on the other side. How many lanterns? Whoops. Bag of cash. Love getting a bag of cash. Villager followers unlocked. Oh, that's, you can just ask them to follow. That's right, you can ask them to follow you. Forget what I said earlier. That is a thing. Okay, we still have 4 lanterns. Ooh, up over 900 coins. I forgot about villager follows. We'll have to remember to do that. Just more copper. I hate sticking them right in the middle there, but that just seems to work the best. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to break those rocks either. Okay, that doesn't look like there's iron that way. I'm gonna go get my other lanterns because I want to explore a little more. I feel like we should be able to get some iron on this level, but maybe not. Hello, I'm gonna borrow you. Did I have more in my backpack? Oops. Okay, I have 2 now. I'm gonna borrow you too. I wonder if you could do that. Just come with like 2 or 3 lanterns and just keep placing them, picking them up, moving them, you know. I guess that could be a thing, but I'd rather just have them here permanently. No. I'll hit these rocks. I really want iron. Well. Just get what we can for now. Let me just double check. But I don't think, yeah, can't hit those. That's fine. You're literally right next to a light and you can see the other light. There's one little dark patch right there. You're fine. Let's see what we have, what we've gotten so far. Oh, we just got a reward. Hey, okay, that's how you unlock the the bronze pickaxe. Okay. Just by, I guess getting enough ore? Yeah, I guess from mining. I don't know what these different things maybe mean. But, oh, visited the mine, level 2. And 35, I don't know what this is. Oh, objects crafted. 35 objects crafted and 35 rocks smashed. Oh, I get now how to understand this. I'm a little slow. What do we need to craft that? 3 wooden planks and 6 bronze. We did get quite a bit of copper. I think we have more at home. Coal. Oh, we've been getting a ton of iron. How am I not paying attention to what I'm getting? Well, never mind me. We can go fix that chair for sure. Let's just get more stuff while we're here. I'm such a dork. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, that is iron, because look how shiny that is. Just, you can see it. What I can't see is when you get that big message. I thought we were just hitting regular rocks like this. Okay, good. We've got copper. We've got iron. We'll be able to I'll probably do it on the next episode. Come back with our bronze pickaxe. So that wasn't too shabby at all. Not too shabby. Have a little tea while I run home. My voice is finally waking up. Fortunately, my dogs are not. That's the hardest thing when my husband's away for the weekend, because he gets up. I might have mentioned this before, so I'm sorry if I'm repetitive. He gets up so stinking early. Like usually sometime between 3 and 4 most mornings. And so the dogs are used to getting up and going to the bathroom that early. And then where am I going? And then he feeds them super early, which I really appreciate that he feeds them before he leaves for work. But I stay up later than he does as well. Like last night, I was up till 11, but my dogs still wanted to go out at 3:15 this morning, and then they wanted their breakfast around 4:30. I'm tired. I'm tired, I tell you. Okay, I think we only needed to make one. Oh, but what do we need for that one? I've got to go get my bronze bars, and we've got to learn the recipe, so we'll do that too. I do have the steel. You know what? Why don't you have a go at fixing the chair, okay? I reckon you'll do a great job. Go and interact with the design table, and we can get started. You can now choose to work on items from your backpack. Select the backpack icon to continue. Select the broken chair. Alongside crafting copies of an item, oh, that's right, you can just do a copy. You can customize that item. Select the customize button. Why are there 2 customize? Nope. Okay. This is where you can edit and create your own. This chair needs a new leg. Click Add Stuff to view available pieces. Here are all the pieces you can add. Click to place this piece. This looks much better. Click Save to save your design. Woo! Great job, Moxie. All right. Cool. We'll go give that turned in. I already forgot who that's for. I need the recipe for the copper bar. Bronze bar, sorry. Okay. So let us give that to, okay. Or take it back to Nico. I also need to grab my ore. No. 10, okay. How many do we need, actually? We need 6. Ooh, and how many? 5. Okay, so we're gonna need 30. Oh, did I put my ore away? Oh, we almost have enough. One more sleep and we'll have enough. Alright, let's see where Nico is. Hey, Nico. Oh, your house is... You don't have room for this chair. Fixed. Sweet. So good you could fix it. It really sucks when you throw things out, you know? Cheers, Moxie. Alright, he just took it then. Ugh. What a bummer of a day. Can't wait for it to be over. Yeah. Well, don't follow me, though, right now. I think we're just gonna go to bed now. I want to see if we can get some flooring for oleander. We're going to need to get some more copper for the pickaxe upgrade. Get somebody moved in today, too. First things first, though, we're going to go to the store. See if there's some flooring. I love the sound of the birds chirping in the early morning. It's just like at home. And why? Can you tell me why every time I see this big pink balloon, I want to buy it? Let's get some of these flowers while we're here. Although we can get these in the meadow too. I don't know where I'm going to plant them yet. Oh, look at the hanging pots. So cute. English string missing. Okay. Well, I don't know if this is the kind of flooring Oleander wanted, but hopefully it will do. Open book, salt and pepper. I guess if we couldn't add extra rooms to our house to decorate like a kitchen or a bathroom or anything like that, we could just take each villager's home and totally redecorate it to be a theme, like one be a bathroom. One, I don't know. One be a kitchen, one be a big bedroom. I need to go actually place this, right? Yeah. Oleander? Oleander. I'm never going to remember. I mean, I like your wood flooring that you have, bud. I mean, that's kind of cool looking, though. I think we'll put the wood flooring back, though. I just saw you. Where are you? What do you want to talk to me for? I'm sure I'd just bore you senseless. That's not true, Oleander. Decoration's done. You really helped me out there. I think I might just like my new home. Here's a leopard white slip-ons. Alright, so now we've got leopard shoes to go with our cheetah shoes. Or is that... No, we have... That's what we already got, right? Okay, we're going to sell those. We don't need two pairs. Yeah, I like this wood floor better for his house. And I'm not putting the stone floor down in mine until we get new wallpaper. Because that will not go. Well, maybe it would look better than the cell block flooring, I guess. I don't mind the floor, it's the wallpaper I'm taking issue with. No, we're going to keep all of that. We'll keep all that on us for now. Let's go get someone moved in and maybe we'll get another house crafted. How much money do we have? Oh, we've got plenty of money. I just need to make the boards. Okay, we're going to go with Owen first. He's been waiting longer. I couldn't remember who it was. Hey, Owen. Guess this is all my stuff. So weird seeing it in boxes. Could you give me a hand? Sure. Oh, neat. I guess we should put that looking out the window. Little telescope. And a guitar. You got some cool stuff, Owen. I had no idea how into skating Benny is. At least they could talk the talk, you know? Yeah, you should talk to Oleander, too. And is this Pip's house? Let's see how good old Pip's doing. Oh, you all right there, Chief? Hey, Moxie. Have you ever tried building flat pack furniture? Yeah. It's horrible. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I tried making a bookshelf and it ended up a mess. Oh, you're good at that stuff, right? You could help me with my bookshelf. So this is the Learning to Repair Furniture episode, I guess. Sure can do. Here, I was almost done. I think just some shelves left to add, maybe. Have a go, Moxie. You can't make it worse. Oh, you never know. We still sometimes get that kind of furniture. Are these ready for harvest? No. So yeah, let's go tackle the bookcase. Hi, Oleander. I want to do my pickaxe too. Oops. Oh, I can only make 5. That's right. We need to go back into the mines. I knew that. Let's see what we're going to need. Okay, I do need wooden planks. That's why I was wondering what I was going to need. We're also going to need some for that house. Okay, we're not going to make 66. We need 16 for a new house. I'm going to do just 1 for the bookcase. Hopefully that's enough because I think I'm only going to add 1 shelf. Let me make sure. Oh, add shelves. No, let's make another plank. We'll add 2 shelves. Okay. Welcome back. Let's have a look at some more of the design tool features. Select the bookshelf from your backpack to continue. Select Customize and enter the design tool. To rotate the camera, move the mouse while holding down. Zooming the camera can be done by using there. To move the camera, move the mouse while holding down. Okay, let's add some shelves to this design. Click Add Stuff and select a piece to add to it. Once you add a piece, you'll start in the Move tool. Click and drag an arrow to move the piece. Other tools are listed on the right side of the screen. Select the Rotate tool to continue. But I don't want to rotate. This tool allows you to rotate a piece in your design. Select the Resize tool to continue. And then this tool allows you to resize a piece. Finally, return to the Move tool to continue. If you ever make a mistake while designing, click the Undo button to go back a step. You can also use the hotkey shown next to the button. Perform and undo. Yeah, those are the basics of the design tool. Put what you've learned into action and have a go at adding shelves to the bookshelf. Okay. We're going to need to resize you because, yeah, you're a little bit big. So R. Let's go to the Move. So we can kind of get an idea. Okay, resize again. think that's about right. We're going to move the top one up a little. Whoop, wrong one. There we go. Zoom out there, that's better. Let's resize, make you just a little bit. You're not quite as long as the other. I think there's about good. And we don't know how to copy yet. That hasn't taught us that yet. That's all right. Let's add. We'll add another shelf. It'd be much easier if it had taught us how to copy things. Okay. Oop, that's too big. It's sticking out. All right, let's space those out a little better. There we go. Oops, move, not resize. I mean, that's not bad. It's not great. Okay, save it. Here you can take a nice photo of your design. Okay, use the camera controls you learnt to line up your item and press capture to continue. Press save to save your new design. Okay, make sure our quest is advanced. Bring the bookshelf back to Pip. Do I need 16 boards for a new house? I think it was 16, not 15. Hi, Dutchie. Baby girl. She's licking her chops. Kind of waking up over there. Pip. Then we have to figure out where we want another house to go. I don't want to put it in either of the areas where I might put a house. So we might actually, I think we'll just put a third house down here. Get rid of a couple of those trees. Hi again. You're kind of creepy there behind your bed. I did. It's all done. That was quick. I think I cleared all the mess away at home. You think you could place it? Yep. Can do. I might steal it, though. Actually, I want to put it where the TV is. Can I put your books? I kind of remember trying to put books on top of it before and it wouldn't work. Let's see. Yeah, I can't put the books on it. See, you can use it as storage. Let's talk to Pip, and I think maybe he's not going to want to keep this bookshelf. I think we're going to take it. We can use it for more storage, I think, you guys. What if can we put it in Sally's shop and store our crafting materials in it? Okay, don't try things yourself. It just ends up in misery. Okay, Pip, I haven't been reading all of that, but sometimes you just gotta do things yourself. If I didn't try it myself, you wouldn't have a fixed book shelf that's now about to get stolen. We can put his TV back so he can watch it while he's sitting on the floor in front of his table. Wait. Oh, apparently I'm stealing the TV too. Okay, I don't want to steal your TV. Oh no, it went back where it was. All right. There you go. I want to try something. Let's see if this will work. I'm about to be tickled pink if this actually works. Although it's awful big for her shop. Hey, Sally. How's it going? Oh my god. You guys. So, like, Sally, is anything else going to get added to your workshop that if I were to put that there... Holy crud. I can. I'm hoping I don't lose those items. You guys maybe let me know in the comments if you've tried this, if there's any danger to losing it. Or like if anything's going to replace it. But if that's the case, oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I'm glad I thought to try that. And the only reason I thought to do that was thanks to that one comment I had. I'm sorry, I should have written your name down. It's letting me know that I could take the little bookshelf, bookcase, whatever, out of the inn and put it in our house for storage. And that made me think, well, if we could do that. Oh, look at that stone house. That's cute. If we could do that, then we'd probably be able to put storage just about anywhere. Hi, Rosa. Yes, I'd like to build a new house, please. Oh, I forgot I was going to cut the trees down. Yeah, I think we need redwood planks. Oh, yeah, that's a little bit bigger house, too. Maybe we'll do this one for us. It's kind of cute. That's the one I want to make and put on the beach, but we need the redwood planks. We can't get those yet. This one must be pretty big on the inside if it takes 1120. We'll just do the little 400 one. Yeah? Yeah. Although, can we do bricks? For now, we'll just do one of these. Maybe we'll do a fancier one and then see if we can put ourselves in it later. Oop. Oh, Dutchie, come on. Hold on a sec, guys. Ooh, she's a loud licker. I had to stop her from grooming. Okay, yeah, around here. Just follow me, please. We'll have a little neighborhood over here. Except I do want to get rid of those trees. You know what? You just wait there, Rosa. I have a little chopping to do. Whoop. Helps if you use an axe. Pro tip. I'm gonna have to replant all these seeds. I'll be doing that in between episodes. Cutting trees, planting more. I'm probably gonna do a little fishing and bug catching. I'll try to do some more though when we're recording. I'm not gonna just only do it when I'm not recording. That would be rude. Poor Rosa, she's just following me. She just gets to where I was and I take off. Let's dig this stuff up too. We'll move it. Nice clean slate. Yee-hoo! Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Something's tickling my nose. All right, Rosa. Around here. Let's do it like here. Let's see where we are. Yeah. I think right there. So we'll have like a little neighborhood. 3 houses make it a little neighborhood right here. Perfect. So we'll see you in a couple of days when it's all done. I don't know if it's 2 or 3 days. I wasn't paying attention to how long that last one took. But we'll be able to now move, what was his name? The little green dude. Ren? We'll be able to move him in. Hey, Moxie. You up for helping me out with a thing? Of course. Thanks. So, I got this bed from a friend. He was going to throw it out, but I figured I could use it. Thing is kind of not my style. Like, it's got pink flowers on it. Don't get me wrong, I love flowers, but maybe not on my bed. Think you could remove the flowers for me? Sure can. Here you go. Thanks. Okay. Yep, this is definitely learning how to edit furniture episode. Okay. If you'd like to delete pieces from a design, first select the piece you'd like to delete. Clicking the delete button on the right of the screen will delete the selected piece, or you can use the hotkey. Duplicate pieces in your design too. Select a piece to continue. Duplicate. Yeah. Great. So we can add a whole bunch of flowers that he doesn't want. Delete. I'd love to add something to the bed. I want to talk to Sally, see if maybe we can do that yet. Okay, let's save it. I mean, I could add some little, I don't know. Hey, Sally. Can't see you now because of this bookcase. I'm sorry. Buy stuff? Nope, we haven't unlocked the packs yet. Okay. Let's make sure take the bed back to Owen. I'd love to know if any of you play this with a controller or on the Switch, how that is, how it feels. It's really smooth with a mouse and keyboard, and I'm thinking I prefer it that way, but I could always try it with a controller. I feel like moving might be better with a controller. Did you sort out my bed? I did. It's finished. Sweet. Thanks, Moxie. Yeah, I'll place it, because then I'm going to steal the one you have, I think. I'd love to know how the game is playing on the Switch for any of you who have it. Oh, wrong house. I forgot who I was doing this for. Was this Owen's house? That is who I'm doing this for, right? Oh my gosh, yes. Well, we're gonna take this bed for ourselves then. Because he doesn't need two. See, it's cute, but I'd love to be able to put like custom fabric on it, and I need like some of the little decorative items that we don't have unlocked yet. Let's put some of these plants back. Just needed to move them out of the way of the house. Let's plant a tree or two around here as well. Oh, we can plant some of our blue flowers here too. Gotta remember to do this as we go or we're gonna run out. I can try leaving the stumps. Last time I was doing that on my playthrough, though, they were not regrowing. And I don't know if maybe I just had a buggy version, because I could have sworn when the game first was released, the stumps grew back, but we'll see. I felt like they should grow faster than the freshly planted trees, and that was not happening. But I might have just had a bug save file or something. Let's plant another tree right here. Oops. I keep hitting the wrong thing. That's all right. Okay. Is my bed ready? It is placed. Well, thank you. You're amazing too, Owen. We'll get stuff for upgrading our pickaxe on the next episode. I want to place our stolen bed in our house. I like that it's a light color. Oh, I hate this wallpaper so much. Hopefully in a couple of days we'll have something else we can use. From the store. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to move those. I'm going to swap them. Let's move you over a little. And put you in the corner. I think if I try putting this right under the window, it looks a little glitchy. Yeah. So we'll keep a space. Put the sleeping bag away. Put the clay away. We'll sell the shoes. All right, I think that's going to wrap this episode up, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Oh my gosh, lost my voice there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.